Alright, we're done now honing those. Those things are really hard. It's going to take me hours to hone this damn thing out all the way. But, anyway, we got them roughed in. You can see how they kind of look in there. You can see all the rust pitting. You can see the broken cylinder spigot right there. Looks like it's got a vertical crack right there also. So that's why it doesn't hone very well. This one here. See all the rusting on all the way around on that. And then the bore on this one. It's pretty rusty up through here inside the ring and land area. So these are so hard, I don't think it would matter having the rust up in the top of the cylinder. Normally it would be it would pit out like potholes in the road, but this thing's so damn hard. I think it'd just be like oil holes. It would lubricate it better. So surely hell ain't gonna hone out. These are chatter marks and you can feel them. Let's see, camera over here and get to it. So you can see all the rust parts in there, but when you run your finger, you can feel the chatter marks. You can see the vertical serrations in there through that area. You can actually feel that too, especially right in here. There's low spots in here. It's a big groove right there. You can feel it going up and down. There's a big one right here. Hear it? Catching on it? So whatever they put through here, this big gouge in here, look how deep those gouges are. I don't know what they did to that way, but that's deep. It's like they don't have a damn grinder and ground it in there. Those are deep. Now that you'd have to hone out because the rings would hit that, it would just chatter across real bad. Those aren't in there too far, but a couple of thou, but that's gonna, these cylinders are so stinking hard. It's gonna take a while. So you don't get the striation through here, but you go over here. You can see all the rust in there. It's all rust. All this foggy looking area, it's all rust. Same with this one. You got those big drying marks in this one too. So it looks like I used a real fine stone on here, but that was a coarse, rough ass stone. It was just, the cylinder is so damn hard. It just doesn't cut. Which is great for using modern titanium coated piston rings because they won't wear the cylinders out. Look at this pad down there. Jeez, those marks are deep. Alright, let's see what we got here for bore. So it's going to take a couple hours to hone these cylinders at least. Alright, let's see how round we got these things. It acts like they're halfway around. Alright, what do we got here? Yeah, we're a good quarter of a thou out around. Maybe a third thou. Yeah, probably a little more than that. Let's see, that'd be about a half a thou right there. Yeah, not quite a half, but almost. Third of a thou out around. Taper. Definitely got some taper in it. Put that half a thou back in there. Soaked it right up. Soaked it right up. So another half a thou. Nope. Nope. Another half. Oh, we got it now. And it's out around 2. Yeah. Yeah. Out around's not too bad. A little bit, not much. Definitely got some taper in it though. So we're half a thou under 0. It's bigger than that. Oh, yeah, that's definitely a low spot there. Damn. Oh yeah, that's got a big low spot right there. Yep. I'm measuring where the piston actually wears now. It's deep. Okay, yeah, that's 1¼ past. It's right at the very bottom of the skirt where it wears a lot on a big stroke. Okay, so that's 1¼ 2 thou. More than 2 thou. About 2½ thou around. That's why I was jerking so much on the hone. It's actually bigger down here. I mean smaller, I mean. Yeah. 2, 3¼ 3¼ big to big taper. 2½ out around. And not getting better. I'm sure it was better than it was. Oh, this one was a lot bigger than that one. Oh yeah, that's way bigger. There we go. That was the same size down there as up there, but once again we get to front to back where the wire is at. We got a lot, so we're at 1. Okay, the other cylinder is about here in the big spot. We're past that. Oh yeah, way past that. Yeah, that's another 1. It's another 1¼ bigger on here than that one. It's worn the most at the bottom of the stroke. That's where your max piston load's at. It's right down there. Everybody thinks it's at the top. No, it's right here. The problem, these things are so fucking hard to cut. It's hard to get out around and taper out when that far out. So we will, right now this is our big side. So let's see what size these are. Quicker to use the caliper. Not as accurate, but we don't care. It's close enough for what we need. 322. We're 10 thou over. So you take 10 minimum. Just get these rounded. If you didn't cut any more out of the low spot, that's 10 over. So realistically, these things would be 20 thou over, and you probably bore them because the cylinder's so hard. It'd be hard to get all the out around and stuff taper out with a hone. So you wind up having to bore these over and cut them. And these days you probably have custom pistons made, so you just clean them out to whatever it takes to clean them. That piston's made. But they're going to be 15 to 20 thou over size. What these will clean out. There's plenty of meat, so that's not an issue. So that can get done very easily. And our overall length just under 5.6. 591, 593, 591, 90, 93, 91.5, 89, so 590. Pretty big. That's tall. So instead of doing math, I just measure a stock cylinder. 335. Zero it. Pull out this one. And see if we get a 1/4 inch more. Ah, we got a 1/4 inch more. 256. It's actually 10 thou over a 1/4 inch. So these are made for a 1/2 inch more stroke without changing the piston. So that means you have an 80-inch crank, 4 1/4 stroke. You go a 1/2 inch more, it's 4 3/4. These cylinders you put on using the same 80-inch piston. Do a 4 3/4 stroke in this thing. That'd be about 109, 110 inch motor. Without doing any stroker piston, just a stock every old day piston. So, these things are made for 5-inch strokes. That's why they're so tall. So you do a stroker piston there. It's made for a 5-inch stroke, which is a 1/16 motor, which is a typical drag motor back in the day. 5-inch strokes are better drag. They go faster. That extra stroke gives you a lot more torque. Swing down the track faster. All right, those are tall and big and extremely hard, but, and broken over there on the other side. So, oh well, they are what they are. You have to braze up that lip on the other side over there. Try to fix it a little bit and run it. See what happens. Or you cut the lip off and shorten the cylinder, drop it down. Probably a better way of going. All you need is a 50 thou lip. That's what I use on my race bike. So 50 thou is all you need to lime it, because that's your doweling for your head. Oil up the head to match. Well, you have to cut them out anyway, so you just cut it out to that number. And then you'd be set up for a little bit shorter stroke. You want to use 5-inch if you don't want to. So anyway, they'll make a good big motor if you want a big motor. All right, old racing stuff. So you can definitely run a lot of abuse to these things. It wouldn't matter. Okay, there you go. Those are trock 70's probably cylinders. All right, there you go.